Hi everyone and welcome back to Grow. Today we grow garlic. Garlic is a very easy plant to grow, and we can actually grow it from the garlic that we have in our kitchen. One thing to remember with garlic is that it's going to take longer for it to be ready to be harvested. But that's not a problem because the leaves will come out, and in the meantime we can use the leaves as spices, just like we do with the green onion. So let's see what we need to grow our garlic from the garlic that we have in our kitchen. So, in order to grow our garlic, we will need our garlic from the kitchen, of course, organic potting mix, a big pot with drainage. I am using this big of a pot for 2 garlics because you have to plant them 5 centimeters away from each other and 10 centimeters down from the surface of the soil. Some expanded clay pebbles and water. So first I'm gonna add some expanded clay pebbles to my pot. This will actually help with drainage and with humidity balance. The second step is to add our potting mix. Then we're gonna pick the cloves from our garlics. So try to pick cloves that are a little bit bigger, like this one for example, maybe this one. So I have 2 cloves, and from these cloves we're gonna get 2 new garlics. I'm going to make 2 holes in the soil, and the hole should be about 10 centimeters deep. So about my finger. And another one 5 centimeters away from the other one and 10 centimeters deep. And put our garlics. Remember, the way to plant them is that where you have the root, that is gonna go down, and then this part is gonna go up. So if you look at your garlic, these are the roots. So the roots should go down, and then this should go up. This is where the leaves are gonna come up. And put your pot in a sunny place. We actually have our garlic in our south-facing balcony, so it's getting lots of sunlight. The last couple of days it's been raining a lot, and it seems to be growing. It took about 1 week and a half, but I'm going to show you the process. Okay my friends, so this is how we can grow garlic at home. In about 1 week and a half, I started to see the garlic coming out of the soil, and I'm gonna give you some updates on how it grows on Instagram. Once the leaves come out, maybe we can see what we can do with them. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you'll be growing garlic with me, and if you're here watching live, let's keep the chat going. If you're not watching live, please make sure to comment and I will make sure to reply. Okay, see you soon. Mwah. During our chat, I'm gonna share with you a new recipe that I learned, and this is broccoli caramelized with garlic. So for our recipe, we will need 3 cloves of garlic, our broccoli, salt and pepper, some butter or ghee, olive oil, paprika powder, and water. Okay, let's make it! We're gonna use our pan and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to cut our broccoli from the top down to about 4 to 6 pieces. When the oil gets hot, add the broccoli to the pan. Cover it and cook at a low to medium heat for 8 minutes. In the meantime, you can cut your garlic. At about 7 to 8 minutes of cooking, add your water. Cover the pan and let it cook until the water evaporates completely. This takes about 6 to 7 minutes. This is when I add the ghee or butter. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of that and we will add it. And cook uncovered until the garlic is golden brown. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. And there we have it, caramelized garlic broccoli. Let me know if you try this recipe and if you like it. Now let's go eat it because it smells really good. Anything else you would like to talk about? This is free chat. Okay everyone, thank you so much for this moment together. If you do plant garlic and you have an Instagram account, make sure to send your pictures. I would love to see the progress. In the meantime, I will let you know how it goes with mine. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Okay, ciao!